Yo, what's up guys, Tygerz here with another video, and today I'm going to be making a video for my friend Dustin, also known as Ruxton, for his Ruckus Room labels YouTube channel, and today I'm doing a quick tutorial on reverb side chaining. And what that is basically it's taking a sample of something you have, such as, well, we're using a vocal in this example, and what it's going to do, it's going to duck out all the reverb until it hits these open spaces here. So I'm going to go ahead real quickly and play back the sample here. Take a listen to that.
Yeah, I'll be there for you when you were all alone.
So very dry sample, you know, but what we're going to do is I'm going to add some reverb to it. And typically what people would normally do is they're going to go ahead and they're going to add reverb to their sample, and it would sound...
Yeah, I'll be there for you when you were all alone. Yeah, I'll be there for you when you were all alone.
You know, so that's what a sample would sound like with reverb on it. That's what a lot of people would do, but we don't want that. We want this to sound, for the most part, pretty clear and concise, and have the reverb kick in afterwards, right? So I'm going to show you two ways to do that. I'm going to show you a way you can do that in just about any DAW, and one way specifically for Bitwig Studio, which is a program I'm using now, which is also a little bit more of a controlled and more concise way of doing it. So the first method here, doing it in the Bitwig way, is to... We'll go into here, we're going to add a effects layer, which is basically like if you're using Ableton, which is essentially an audio effects rack. In here we're going to add a tool, and what tool is basically it's a limiter just with a little more controls to it. And then from there we're going to go to a audio receiver. We're just going to route that to the tool. Okay. Next, we're going to add our reverb of choice. I like to use Valhalla Room. And then lastly, we're going to add a sidechain. And in Bitwig Studio, that sidechain is called Dynamics. If you're using Ableton, it's going to be your compressor with the sidechain routing turned on. And we're going to route this to the tool as well. And from there, I'm just going to go ahead and just real quickly create some settings. And that's what we have.
Yeah, I'll be there for you when you were all alone.
So as you can see, the reverb is kicking in. It's ducking here. We're still getting some. You know, I have it pretty strong here, but...
Yeah, I'll be there for you when you were all alone.
That probably sounds a little better, actually. So we're still getting some reverb here, but we're not getting as much. We're getting, like, more vocal kind of cutting through. And it's really kicking in right here, which is what I wanted to do.
When you were all alone.
And then the second method to this is we can go ahead and create an effect track or a send track, and this is a really easy way of doing this right here. What we're going to do is just go ahead and add the reverb of choice, and then we're going to go ahead and just add a sidechain. I'm going to route this to the vocal track itself. For me, it's this Vox group channel right here. I have it set to the pre setting. Alright, real quick we create some just settings real fast in here. And now what we gotta do, because now you're not gonna hear anything.
Yeah, I'll be there for you.
So what we gotta do is actually go into the routing of the track itself for the group, or the track you're using. For me, I'm just gonna use the track. Go to my send group and go to that right there, and just turn it on.
Yeah, I'll be there for you when you were all alone.
And this method can be basically done in just about any DAW imaginable. I'm sure every DAW can do it. It might just vary slightly by DAW. But for Bitwig Studio, and if you're an Ableton user, it's going to be damn near the same. So that's my tutorial, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Have a good one.